Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Brian. I've been with y'all in a while. I haven't been able to video. We've been real busy at work. It's a good thing. But I figured y'all wanted to see me doing much video and sitting at my desk. So I got a little road trip this week. Might be a fun one to take y'all along on. So I thought I'd do that. I'm headed to the airport here in Columbus. Got a couple of flights today. And go out to a new part of the country where we've worked a couple of times. I've never been out and roofed myself. So anyway, y'all hang on. We'll be right back. We'll be at the airport shortly, and we'll talk about where we're going. Alright, y'all saw we made it to the airport there. It's nice having a little airport here at home. Really don't have to travel very far to get started, and we can pretty much get everywhere we need to be. Everything through here goes to Delta and Atlanta. So we get in here and get through security, and I ain't got any bags to check, so it's don't take long to get through security here. Get through here, and we'll maybe get a chance in a little bit talking about where we're going. Alright, y'all, I made it on my flights. I didn't get to video any while I was in the airport. I had a real short connection there in Atlanta. Flew into Denver, Colorado. Third or fourth time I've been out there. Last couple times I've been out here, I was coming to hunt. This is the first time to work. Anyway, I'm on the road, got me a little old rental truck. Got a little old Chevrolet Colorado. It's about to... This thing ain't got enough power for these hills, but it'll be alright. Headed over to Golden, Colorado for a job. Working on a silicone coating project. You've seen some of those on the other videos. Once I get there and get on the roof, I'll get kind of show you the process and show you how that system goes down. Might be interesting to you. So we'll be right back in a little while. Okay, I'm back. Finally got to the job site. I made it here. Y'all saw the road over here. Beautiful ride on the way over here. I'm in Golden, Colorado. Got rained out yesterday. Got to work a little bit in the morning, but it was cloudy, so I didn't really have time to do any video, and had to run pick up a permit, and then had to run this morning over into Denver to pick up some material. But anyway, I'm back on the job site now. I'm gonna take the camera up with me on top, show you the kind of roof system we're putting on this store. So I'll be right back. Alright, we made it on top of the roof here. We're here in Golden, Colorado. Actually installing a silicone roof system on a TPO single ply roof system that had some hail damage. I'll turn the camera around here and show you what we're doing. George and them are already putting on some coating right now. So bright up here I can hardly see my camera, but I think I got you in focus there. See what we did, we pressure washed this entire building. It's close to 40,000 square feet. Pressure washed it, cleaned it with a cleaner that's specific for this type of coating. And then you can see, it kind of might be, I don't know how well you can see there. You can see the spray marks. We sprayed on a two-part epoxy primer that's kind of got a pinkish look to it there, if you can see it. Then we went ahead and went around the perimeters of this rooftop equipment right here. Went ahead and installed cut in just like a painter would do. We cut in around the detail first. Now the guys are over here installing the silicone coating with the install it with a tank dispenser, and then they back roll it to get the appropriate thickness. So you can see right here. They're putting the material down in bulk with that machine. And then they'll back roll it, and George will check it with a mill gauge to make sure we got the appropriate thickness. See the guys there checking it. This roof will get a 10-year warranty, so we have to have a minimum of 22 dry mills. But you can see a good contrast right there along that gas line. This old membrane here was a white TPO by Firestone. The hailstorm did just enough damage to compromise the warranties. They didn't want to go with a total replacement or a tear-off. So we gave them the option of going with this silicone coating. You can see what Jonathan's doing there. They're back rolling it with a heavy roller to make sure we get the right thickness. This stuff's so highly reflective, it's hard to even get a good video. I can't even see the screen right now, but we'll show you some more in a little while later. But should have a good day, good long dry days here in Colorado. Should be able to finish up in a couple more days. You can see the guys are making good progress. Actually gonna get a lot more coated today than we thought. We got, can't even see the screen, so I'm trying to keep it on the areas that we done. Thought we'd just get that section right there today, but things went really well this morning. Looks like what he's gonna do is, we got to see the ladder access right there. Really the best place for us to put the ladder up. So what we'll do now is start on this opposite end
and work our way back. We're going to see their detailing right there underneath the gas lines, so we can't run the machine there. So get that cut in. Let's see. And get those rooftop air conditioning unit curves there. See, they get the curves right around those flashed or coated. And then he'll start running his machine again and work himself back over here to the ladder. So it's still 3:45 Colorado time. See if you, I can't see the screen at all, maybe on me, but I believe with another 4 or 5 hours, probably gonna almost get this whole thing coated today. May not get it all detailed in, but it's not gonna leave a whole lot to do tomorrow. So before I leave this afternoon, I'm trying to catch a flight home tomorrow, but before I leave this afternoon, I'll show you more how we do it when we wrap it up. So all in all, the job's going really well. All right, I'm back. It's see, it's about it's been about 3 or 4 hours since I had the camera on last. You can see we got that entire section there done over to this main gas line running through the middle. And then George jumped right over there along that outer wall and worked that section out between the gas line and the wall. And what they're going to do this afternoon, you'll see they're working there now, going to work that section out from that wall back this way to these air conditioning units. So says he thinks we've got about, it's 6 o'clock local time, probably got a couple more hours of daylight. So we're going to try to bring that section out all the way to these air conditioning units today, and maybe even get a little bit more. But yeah, for sure tomorrow, at least at the very most, all they'll lack is this center section right here between these gas line pipes, and then this small section here that works its way right back over to our ladder right here. So gone really, really well. We're looking at about probably coating about 30,000 square feet today. It's a good long day. The weather's just perfect. Don't have to worry about it raining and messing you up. So I've got to I'm gonna ease back close to the airport tonight, and where I got to catch a real early flight tomorrow to get home tomorrow afternoon so I can be in the office on Friday. Got some other jobs I need to look at and get some bids in on. But appreciate y'all watching, and just hadn't been able to do a roofing video in a while. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a little something different. Got some other big jobs coming up in some other parts of the country soon. I'll hopefully get the video some too. So, but thank you again for watching. You can check out our website at hollisfarms.com. We've got the hats, t-shirts, and decals, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank y'all.